How's it going, everyone? So just wanted to give you an update on what's going on with mortgage rates this past week. Basically, it feels like if you open up the lid to your washing machine, that's what mortgage rates looks like. They're everywhere. They're all over the place. Nobody knows what's going on. But basically on Tuesday of last week, Mark Calabria, the director of Federal Housing Finance Agency, came up out of nowhere and basically enacted this immediate 0.5% cost to investors when selling loans to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Basically, they're just looking to hop in on all the refinance boom, the government agency, and just to add and bring in additional revenue. So you say, oh, I'm buying a house, that doesn't affect me because I'm not refinancing. But with an immediate hit like that to the bottom line of every single bank across the country, they're going to have to hedge those losses with future business. So because they're losing money now, any future business is going to have to recoup those costs. Something similar happened back in March when Mark announced something that the government was going to buy mortgage-backed securities at an insane level, and basically he got a ton of pushback because he threw mortgage-backed securities through the roof. Lenders also lost a ton of money because they were hedging the cost of mortgage-backed securities with shorts and a bunch of fun stuff. But basically cost them billions of dollars, and doing it again now. In March, as an industry, we all came together and really gave a bunch of pushback, and within a few weeks' time, that act was reversed. So we hope that we'll see that moving forward. So please click on the link below. Go ahead, sign the petition if you're in the industry. If you're not, whatever it is, help us out here, because at the end of the day, although banks, the government wants more money from loans, making the banks lose money, at the end of the day, it's going towards the consumer. The consumer is what's going to be paying. If you're in the process of buying or refinancing, don't worry. Things are going to settle out in a little bit. At the same time, 3.3% rate is still historical low, even if you're at 3.5%. People would have jumped left and right to get that rate last year. So keep that in mind if you're shopping or thinking about refinancing. You know who to call. Dan the Mortgage Man. If he can't do it, no one can.